Welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about the price chart of Splash Beverage Group Inc. We can clearly see a support that the stock has been taking right now, and overall this has been trading in between a range, and a range is very much predictable. That's why we can see some trend out of it. So let's discuss about this trend or the move of Splash Group or Splash Beverage Group Inc. But before that, if you haven't yet subscribed my channel, just hit on the subscription button. Also hit on the notification bell along with all button to get my updated video notification. Now we can clearly see the support of 0.99 or a dollar, which is the lower end of the range, right? So because this stock is respecting this level very much, this is going to, and multiple times, 1 2 3 4, this is the fourth time, so you can call it as a trend. Now what we can see here right now, that the stocks not only surpasses a couple of levels, but these are very important levels, right? So 0.99 done, 1.53, the stock has crossed 2.24, 2.54, all these levels are crossed. Now the stock, what it has done is recently tested the highs of 5.7 and then it has corrected towards 2.24. So a mid-term correction is also done, as we can see, and the stock again started taking support at or near 2.24, 2.25. So what do we have right now? We have 3.8. If the stock continues to sustain above 2.5, we have 3.8, we have 4.4, and we have the recent high of 5.7. But this is not the actual range. Okay, this is not at all the actual range, and a short-term correction cannot change the overall trend. So beyond 5.7, we have 6.73, we have 9.11, and this time hopefully it will probably move towards the upper end of the range or the big trend, which is $15. So this is what the actual or the big range is, and we have seen the stock moves from lower end to the upper end, then upper end to the lower end. This happened twice, and this is the third time, and hopefully it will hit the similar kind of level moving forward. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.